Want to make sure Microsoft Defender is up to date. Keeping its security intelligence current helps Windows recognize newer threats. In this guide, I'll show you how to check for Defender updates and verify when the latest update was installed. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app to open the main security dashboard. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. This section contains your Microsoft Defender status, scanning tools, and security intelligence information. Scroll down until you find Virus and Threat Protection Updates, then select Protection Updates. This page shows information about the security intelligence currently installed on your PC. Now select Check for Updates. Windows will look for newer security intelligence. If an update is available, Windows should download and install it automatically. After the check finishes, review the security intelligence version and the date it was last updated. If there are no warnings, Defender should have the latest available intelligence. Defender updates can also arrive through Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Install anything available and restart your PC if Windows requests it. To see recent updates, open Update History. Look through the security and Defender-related entries if they're listed. This can help confirm that updates were installed successfully. You can also check Defender information with PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator and use the getmp computer status command. Look for the antivirus and security intelligence information in the results. If Defender won't update, restart your PC and try again. Make sure Windows Update is working and your internet connection is stable. Avoid downloading Defender files from unofficial websites, and that's how to check Windows Defender updates. Use Protection Updates for the quickest check, Windows Update for system updates, and PowerShell when you want more detailed information. Keeping Defender current is an important part of everyday Windows security.